So let's talk about everything on this wall. We originally started with 2 desks here and just a couple of shelves. The shelves were starting to bend a little bit because we keep heavy stuff over here, so we had to put sturdier shelves up. And we also took the desks out because they just became landing spaces for more stuff to accumulate and pile up, and it was just messy and in the way. We wanted more space in here so we could have a bigger couch. And I've done lots of different iterations of storage solutions for this space. One of my favorite things over here is this little case. Inside is a bunch of plugs, but they're hidden away so we don't have to look at them anymore. This is a bin filled with supplies for our cute little printer that we have up here. That is wireless, so we have a little laminator in here for work things and printer paper and print cartridges. This is our movie storage section. All of them fit into the little cases. These are the kids' bins. So they each get a bin down here of stuff that they want to keep, that down here that they don't want to keep in their room. So things like video games, mail, their 3D glasses, goggle things, GoPro camera, earphones. Emmy has her squishy stuff that she likes to play with while she watches movies, and your microphone, a few books, different things like that. So they like having those down here so they can have their own things in the living room. This is my spot for all the kids' school papers and things like that. Buttons, pictures, all different kind of grades, things like that. This is Sam's bin for his paperwork and his mail, because he gets quite a bit. This is a cute little basket that we just fill with sunglass cases, swipes, keychain stuff. And the big bins is where I keep all of our paper supplies. So this one has tape gun, washi tape. I love colorful tape for decorating. All kinds of tape, markers, pens, highlighters, all that kind of thing. Where are you gonna put it in a tiny house? We keep it in our bin on the bottom shelf in here. This one has our electronic stuff. This bin actually has nothing in it except a bunch of cords. I just didn't like how they look, so they're in a bin. The rest of the bins, this one has my favorite bin, all my Sharpies, all the different colors, and my pens. Scissors. Sam's favorite thing, all of our lanterns. This container has all of our important papers, extra notebooks, all those kind of things that you would need to pay bills or to mail something. It has envelopes too. So, hi, I'm Brianne with Tiny for Life. Thanks for watching today. We'd love it if you would like and subscribe. You can follow us on social media. And remember, even if you don't live tiny, you can still live the tiny lifestyle.